Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be doing a quick walkthrough of some of the features on Happy Caller. So first we'll go to search, and what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the search address and just enter any location you'd like to make a search in. You can do this through zip code or state, whatever you prefer. It'll just bring you closer to that location of where you want to search. You're then going to use the circle tool, drag the desired size of your circle. Now that you have your search range of where you want to be looking for services, you're going to go down to edit details. This is where you're going to enter what you're trying to search. So we could just do window cleaning. Business count, we'll just do 50 in that area. Here you can decide if you want them to have a website, do not want them to have a website. No filter will give you both. Then come down here. You can just name the search. So it's window cleaning in Chicago. So just put any label you want on it. Then if you'd like to put it into any type of folder, you can put it into one of your existing ones, create a new folder to keep it organized on your sidebar. In terms of cost, you're going to see a result here of how many credits your search will use. So since we're doing a standard search, it's going to be 1 credit per search, 50 businesses. When you do your search, if they do not find 50 businesses within that range and they only send you out like 25 businesses, you'll receive your other 25 credits back of the 50. So you're only going to get pulled from you what is found. And then when you're doing your search, which is what we did here, your search term, you need to be very conscious of this because the difference of a good search term and a bad search term will be the difference of you getting any results. So you need to think of it as really just hitting it on the head. So landscapers, dentist, just really pinpoint what you're looking for. And when you get into like cheap restaurants open now, when it enters that, it's going to be looking for businesses named cheap restaurants open now. You're not going to get good search results. So you need to be very pinpoint. If you look up landscapers, it's going to show you every landscaping company. So if you look up plumbers, it's everyone that's doing plumbing. So just be very conscious of this because it makes a big difference when you're searching and the results you're going to receive. So once we save changes, now this circle has been processed. I kind of have it half off the map, so maybe we won't get all 50. So we'll have an example here of what happens if you don't. But we'll start processing this search. While we're in this area, we'll break down a little bit more of the stuff. Obviously, here's the map. All of your previous searches will show up here. You have pages to sort through all of your previous searches. So as this one processes, what we're going to do here is go through some other stuff. For example, if you make a search and you want to find more businesses within that area, you're going to click continue, and then you'll be able to find more businesses in that area. So we did a search of 50 for the Chicago window cleaning. Say we go through all 50 of those clients, we want to find more. We're going to come here, we're going to do the 50, continue plus 50, and then you continue your search to find more clients within that area, as well as clone. So if you make a circle for Chicago window cleaning, but say you like this area and you want to search it for plumbers as well, you just clone the circle, then you put search term plumbers, how many businesses you want to find, create, and then it's going to put a circle in the same radius now searching for plumbers for you. So we did a search of about 50. We'll see how long it takes. Usually it's a minute to 3 minutes for all searches. You go from 50 to 500 searches. So while we're here, We'll take a sneak peek into some of the other lists that we made. Here you'll see the actual call list. So once the list loads and you receive your clients, this is what you're brought to. You have a list with the status. You can update it right here, the phone number on mobile. This is actually an auto dialer. So if you click on the number on mobile, it's going to instantly call the number for you. We have a built-in calendar feature. So when you're scheduling these clients that you're calling, say they're interested in a website and a receptionist, just click this right here. It's going to have automatically filled in for you the details, follow up, quick and easy. Set the time with them, get that sent over to them right away. You can do the view. You can pick which ones you want visible or not, whatever you prefer. You can change the order of how they show up in the list. If you ever want to hide anything, it's just quick and easy clicking on it from here as well. Really efficient system. And then let's see what else we could point out for you guys. Obviously, when you're grabbing your credits, come to this page, select the amount of credits you want, purchase. When you're on mobile, do Apple Pay. On here, we use Stripe for both. It's very efficient. Go back to our search terms. Now that Chicago window cleaning is completed, they found 61 within the circle. So you click businesses, gave you 61 businesses. So even though we search for 50, the system will oftentimes give you more than what you search for. So you're getting more for your buck. We're only charged 50 credits, but still received all 61 businesses. And now here you are. You can select phone numbers, whatever you'd like. You start calling, set the status of each call so you can stay organized. We have a section in here. We'll move this over a little bit for you so you can see it. We have a notes section. So every time you call with someone, you can add notes, keep track of everything. Like we said, obviously, calendar built-in feature to get reaching out to them quick. Besides that, all that's really left to notice is we have a submission system for feedback. We love to hear what you guys have to say, what you'd like to see implemented. Our service is to make your life as easy as possible. So if you ever have any ideas, please send them here. We have a Discord. You can talk directly to both of us, the founders. We'd love for you to join, ask questions, give feedback. Helps a lot. And a lot of the stuff that you say, if it's good, we'll implement it and it makes your life easier. So that's a quick overview. We also offer light mode and dark mode for anyone's interested, but I'm a dark mode kind of guy. And that will be all for today.